Well, the first offer that an adjuster is going to make to you is usually the lowest offer that there will be. If you take that offer, I've had a lot of callers who took that offer and then wanted to try to back out of it. In Georgia, if you take an offer, even a verbal acceptance, then you've settled your case. The problem that you run into is a lot of times later, your soreness and your pain doesn't go away. You may get conservative care with chiropractic or physical therapy, and you hope you're going to get better, but instead you don't get better. In fact, you may even get worse. If that's the case, they often will refer you out for an MRI, and I've had plenty of cases where people who thought they were banged up a little bit ended up not getting better, having an MRI, having a herniated disc, and then later even needing a surgery. So if you take that first offer, you're really rolling the dice. It's going to be pennies on the dollar of what the case is worth, and you may take a settlement and then be stuck with even hundreds of thousands of dollars in medical later.